Best deals.
1. Casserole. Crafted with a double-wall stainless steel body inside and out, helping maintain food temperature for extended hours. Suitable as a roti casserole, it resists rust, is non-toxic, and is easy to clean for daily kitchen use. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Magnetic shelf. Features a robust magnetic backing that securely attaches to your refrigerator, ensuring stability and reliability for all your spices and kitchen items essentials. Keep your fridge organized with this fridge magnet shelf organizer, perfect for storing spices and other small items. Designed as a magnetic spice rack for refrigerator. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Bottle sterilizer. Quickly dry your bottles with hot, filtered air, so your bottles are hygiene and ready for the next feed within 30 minutes. It's time to throw the old drying rack once you own the bottle dryer. This do-it-all bottle sterilizer deserves to be the best baby shower gift. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Mosquito bat. Use it manually as a mosquito racket to zap flying insects like mosquitoes and flies, or activate the UV light for enhanced attraction and elimination, ensuring a mosquito-free environment. The Type-C charging port offers convenient and modern charging, reducing the need for frequent battery replacements. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Plastic carry box. Perfect for art and craft supplies, stationery, tools, medicine, sewing kits, cosmetics, and more. This storage box with handle on the lid for easy transporting is suitable for family, car, school, workplace, travel, camping, office, health clinics, and hospitals. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Casserole. The molten metal takes the shape of the mold and the result is a complex, intricately designed pot or pan which adds the metal where it is needed the most, building strength and functionality. Once the molten metal hardens, the mold is opened and the die-cast pan is removed. It is then finished by a long-lasting gray-colored. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Slow juicer. Enjoy the juice that preserves natural nutrients through low temperature and low-speed juicing. The juicer delivers pure, pulp-free perfection with every press, helps you to simply load vegetables and fruits with seeds and peels all at once. No more hassle with chopping or cutting them into small pieces. Its design includes bottom slots for a ventilation system that expels internal heat, minimizing the risk of overheating. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Shelf divider set. Made from high-quality, powder-coated metal, these dividers are built to last, providing a sturdy and reliable partition for your shelves without the worry of rust or wear over time. Perfect for a variety of spaces, including closets, pantries, kitchens, and offices. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Faucet. Pull-down spray faucet with 3 versatile spray modes allows long reach, and the high-arc 360-degree swivel spout supply full range of washing access, allows extra flexibility. Sprayer head always retract back to spout after each use. Integrated double ledge is great for sliding accessories and allows you to work different tasks at the same time, including cutting foods, washing a small load of dishes, draining foods, cooling foods in isolated water. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Chair cover. These seat slip covers can be used for home, hotel, wedding banquet, dinner, meeting, celebration, ceremony, family dining room decoration. Fashion simple moderate cover will bring a new face to your chair. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Drying basket. Hollow design. There is a diversion tray at the bottom which is easy to drain and there is a special small drain place to place chopsticks and spoons. The chopsticks and dishes placed separately which is very convenient. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Toothbrush holder. Maximize your sink or shower space with this complete bathroom brush holder. This innovative toothbrush stand set includes an automatic toothpaste squeezer, 2 rinsing cups, and 4 slots for brush heads, keeping everything neat, dry, and within easy reach. It's the ultimate toothbrush storage solution designed for functionality and family use. Toothbrush holders with cups is easy to disassemble for cleaning as well as easy to reassemble. Super strong adhesive sticker with maximum load capacity of 5 kg will not fall off after long-term use. Keeps your shower and bathroom sink clean and organized. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Tawa. With proper seasoning and use, carbon steel concave tawa develops a naturally non-stick surface over time, making cooking and cleaning easier. Boost iron intake. Cooking with carbon steel cookware can increase the iron content of food. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Dry masala grinder. The 5000-watt motor ensures that the grinder operates at high speeds, making it quick and efficient in grinding spices. This means you can prepare your spices in a matter of seconds. With this powerful motor, you can easily grind both soft and hard spices. It's suitable for grinding everything from fine powders to coarse textures, depending on your culinary needs. Such machines typically come with a generous grinding chamber, allowing you to process a significant amount of spices at once. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Vacuum cleaner. Is small and lightweight, easily fitting on any desk or workspace. It's perfect for those tight spaces where traditional vacuums can't reach, ensuring a clean environment without cluttering your space. It easily fits in your bag, making it ideal for quick cleanups on the go. Enjoy efficient cleaning with strong suction power that effortlessly picks up dirt and debris, all while operating quietly, perfect for maintaining a peaceful home environment, even during kids' nap time. Free yourself from the hassle of cords. The kit allows you to clean anywhere, be it the kitchen, living room, or car, without being tethered to an outlet, offering the ultimate convenience for multitasking moms. Powered by 2-hour batteries, this vacuum cleaner offers up to 2 hours of continuous cleaning, providing ultimate portability and convenience for busy moms. Perfect for quick, hassle-free cleanups without needing to search for an outlet. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Floor scrub brush. Heavy-duty telescopic pole extends from 115 cm to 142 cm and withstands up to 100 kg pressure for powerful scrubbing. Built-in squeegee edge efficiently removes excess water and soap, leaving surfaces dry and streak-free in one motion. Built-in squeegee edge efficiently removes excess water and soap. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Coffee and tea maker. Features a robust 19-bar pressure system, ensuring optimal extraction for a rich, aromatic brew. Enjoy cafe-quality espresso with a thick, velvety creamer, delivering a barista-level experience in the comfort of your home. Supports Dolce Gusto pods, Nespresso pods, and ground coffee, giving you complete freedom to enjoy your favorite blends. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Electric Citrus Juicer. The professional AC motor with 350 W power helps to obtain maximum juice quickly. The pressure lever juicer gets more juice effortlessly without getting your hands dirty. Automatic startup by simply pressing the cone with the fruit. The lever is made of aluminum with rubber grip. Includes a stainless steel filter and a filter with adjustable pulp regulator. It has 2 cones of different sizes. Suitable for all types of citrus fruits. Juice oranges, lemons, grapefruit, citron, limes. Its spout has 2 different positions, one that allows the juice to be stored in the 0.65-liter tank and another that offers continuous direct pouring into the glass. The mouth designed with anti-drip system. The juicer is fully removable juicer for easy cleaning. Its parts are dishwasher safe and BPA free. Enjoy fresh juice every morning. The 180W copper motor uses less energy and is quieter than a traditional juicer machine, perfect for busy moms. Juice maker comes with cones for oranges, lemons, and pomegranates, making it easy to switch between fruits and ensure every juice is packed with nutrients. Simply plug in, press down the ergonomic handle, and enjoy a full glass of juice in less than 3 minutes. Busy moms will love the dishwasher-safe parts for quick and easy cleaning. Made from BPA-free plastic and 304 stainless steel, This orange juice maker ensures high hygiene standards and long-lasting durability. Includes 2 pulp filters for smooth, delicious juice every time. Operating at just 73 decibels, this fruit juicer machine is as quiet as an office, allowing for peaceful juicing. The drip stop spout and 500 ml container prevent messes, making it reliable for daily use. Can be disassembled with a few quick steps before putting it into the dishwasher. Features an anti-drip spout, designed to minimize mess and maintain cleanliness during juicing sessions. Operating at an impressive speed of 110 rotations per minute, this blender excels at preserving the original flavors of your ingredients, providing both efficiency and enhanced taste in your culinary creations. With the use of an innovatively designed filter, we ensure superior juice extraction and an exceptionally high extraction rate. Comes with a special lemon press, making it even easier to extract every last drop of juice from your citrus fruits. Product link is given in the 17th link.